Top 3 cute animals that are secretly dangerous. But before that, how many years do you want your grandma to live? Like for 1 hour, comment for 10 years, subscribe for 100 years, and do all for unlimited years. Number 3. Slow Loris. Those big innocent eyes hide a dark secret. Its bite injects venom that can rot flesh and send you into shock. Number 2. Panda. Behind the soft fur and lazy charm is a jaw strong enough to crush bone in seconds. And they don't always warn before they strike. Number 1. Dolphin. Known for their playful smiles, but in the wild, they can turn violent, chasing, ramming, and even drowning their prey. Congratulations, your grandma is happy now.